adding 4 spoon yogurt or curd, salt to taste, 2 or 3 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon red onion powder, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon basil leaf, 1/4 teaspoon thyme, 1/4 teaspoon rosemary, half teaspoon mustard powder. Here I am taking 1 kilo chicken cut into 10 pieces. We are using skinned chicken. Mix the masala and the chicken pieces. Then marinate it for 3 hours in a refrigerator, not in freezer. Transfer the chicken pieces into a bowl and then keep it in a refrigerator for marination. Take the marinated chicken from the refrigerator. Here I am taking 500 gram all-purpose flour or maida. Putting chicken into the all-purpose flour. Coat the chicken pieces with the flour. Just shake it to remove the excess flour and then put it into the plain water. We can see that the excess flour has been washed away. Then again put the chicken pieces in the same all-purpose flour for a second coating. Coat it well with the flour. Take a perforated basket and shake off the excess flour. I am using vegetable oil, 1 liter vegetable oil in a frying pan or any comfortable vessel. Put the chicken pieces into the oil. We can deep fry it in a pan or we can use an electric fryer. Here we are not using electric fryer, so we are using a technique double frying. Fry it in medium flame. Deep fry for 5 minutes. And take chicken pieces from the oil and allow to rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the first batch fried chicken is again frying. Fry until golden brown. KFC style fried chicken is ready.